We have with us today Dr. Manish Sani, who is a consultant in surgical oncology at Venkateshwar Hospital, Delhi. He has published 23 research articles in indexed journals. He has been recognized with national awards including Best Medical Student of 2022 by the Indian Medical Association and Outstanding Young Oncologist of 2023 by the Indian at Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi. Dr. Sani completed his post-graduation in surgery from Oswal Cancer Research Institute, Punjab, and received UICC Fellowship Training at Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. So, heartiest congratulations on receiving the award, sir. It's a pleasure to be having you here at the Research Summit and Black Buck Awards. How does it feel?
Yeah, it feels awesome, and it feels great that when your work gets recognition at a platform, at such a big platform, in the presence of such a big dignitaries, and and the research has been on the grounds of my 3 novel surgical oncology techniques, which I published in the index journals, and they received a maximum access and citations, and owing to which my name gets selected in Stellar Research. I am feeling quite happy for and delighted to receive this award.
Great, sir. So, if you could just give us a little detail on your research, what does it entail on?
Yeah, it's basically a research. One of the research is on the oral cancer patients, which is of an early stage, where we develop a technique in which we can go with a single incision for both surgery and to develop a flap to reconstruct the oral cavity tumor. So we don't need to give a very big incision for the upper gingivobuccal sulcus cancer tumors, which are of early stage. But yes, the case selection is important. So we published for around 10 cases in that, and we found that the cosmetic results, even and also for the patients who have got a swift recovery for in the post-operative period, was very good, and patients were able to get a adjuvant therapy very swiftly. So the impact of this study was that we can single-handedly deal the cancer patients without the need of a plastic surgeons. Even the surgeons working in the rural areas can do this simple technique. So I published it in Indian Journal of Surgery, which is our official publication of Association of Surgeons of India. And the second thing is the patients who are of old age, having comorbidities like diabetes, sugar, who are not fit for the plastic surgery. This simple technique will be a fertile and feasible technique to adapt and do the surgery to the patient, and also for the institutes where the waiting list is too long for the oral cancer patient, as we know that oral cancer forms a huge bulk of Indian subcontinent, and in a high volume centers this technique can obviously deburden the patients by doing this simple surgery without the need of a plastic surgeons.
Wow, that's indeed a commendable research, and congratulations once again for being a part of that award.
Thank you very much for your nice words.